Hey guys, and welcome to my Valentine edition. I decided to do something a little extra, a little something new. So here it goes. So I decided to put together a few cute recipes, and I just hope you guys enjoy them very much. Usually I don't make a whole bunch of seafood on my channel because I am allergic to all shellfish. So this first recipe that you're about to see is going to be my surf and turf lobster and steak. Super seasoned my steak and sear it. Then I made a quick butter, garlic, luscious herby sauce. Just gonna pour it right over our steak and serve it up just like that with some beautifully steamed broccoli. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with the dessert, which is this pineapple cake. I'm just going to do this random pineapple cake with, one of my little random sauces that I'll pour down on it once it's baked. You guys know I don't really bake like that from scratch because I'm not great at it, but I do know how to elevate anything from the box. I'll make sure I put any substitutions down below. Remember to always check my description box. I substituted the water for pineapple juice and I substituted the oil for butter. So that's pretty much it. I really wanted to drive home that pineapple flavor as well as add extra moisture to the cake. These are my beautiful steaks right here. You can use any cut you prefer. Totally fine. This is the spice that I'll be using. And you want to season the steak on all sides liberally. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Alright, so this is how I take the meat out the lobster tail. It's pretty easy. However, I was disappointed because one of my lobster tails didn't look too good, and I just went ahead and tossed it because I didn't want to take any chances. But this is how I open it. Just take a scissors up the back, open it, take the meat out. I was left with only one lobster tail, but it was just enough for one steak. And yep, so this is my broccoli that I'm going to steam. That's the chives, my garlic, my lemon pieces. And you're just going to season the lobster meat with the garlic and the chives and a little bit of seasoning. You don't want to put your salt on here until you're about to cook the lobster meat because you don't want it to break it down. Love to me is everything. I feel like without it, I probably wouldn't be as happy as I am. I wouldn't be able to make it through a lot of situations that I'm currently and previously went through. And I want everyone to experience it. I know I joke a lot. I play around a lot. I mess with him a lot. I say he get on my nerves a lot. But it's all in good fun. He do get on my nerves though, y'all. I be trying to... Let me tell y'all something. First of all... Y'all know how these men are. Like, let's not pretend. Ladies, especially if you're in a relationship, you don't even have to be married. Because marriage is not for everyone. You don't even have to be married. You know how these men are. We be wanting to kill them morning, noon, and night. Morning, noon, and night. But when the love is what makes it, the difference is the love. That's the difference. You can't be tolerating someone getting on your nerves morning, noon, and night, and then on top of that disrespecting you. There has to be a balance somewhere, and I wish that for everybody. I wish that for everyone. I'm happy he get on my nerves, but I'm happy. We're not perfect, but I'm happy. I be wanting to stab his ass, but I'm happy. Alright, so this is me boiling the broccoli. I'm gonna boil it for about 2 minutes. If you boil your broccoli forever, soft and mushy, you can't talk to me, okay? You can't sit with us. I'm just kidding, but don't overcook your broccoli, guys. So you want to strain it, and then we're gonna move on. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Alright, so I want to get a nice hard sear on my steak because I want to develop a lot of flavor on it. You're not going to burn your house down. Don't be afraid. In this skillet over here, I'm going to saute my lobster while my steak is cooking. I'm only going to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook your lobster because it will get tough on you. And you're just going to saute this down in some melted butter. And then I'm just going to take my lemon pieces and just squeeze the juice on it and drop it down in there to get all that lemony flavor in that butter, because we're going to put that over the steak. And that's it. The lobster is done, y'all. It's simple, easy. You can't screw this up. You want to flip the steaks and keep allowing them to cook on the other side, just like this. You know, like I said, I'm cooking mine on to a medium temperature on the inside, but you can cook yours however you want. All right, so what I'm doing now is adding some butter and fresh thyme. What you want to do is baste your steak with the melted butter, and this is what it's going to look like once that's done. They came out perfect temperature as well as color, and they smell amazing. So right here, I'm adding some butter to my broccoli as well as some cheese, salt, and pepper. But you guys, you already know you can do whatever you want to do to your broccoli. You want to take it over the top, go right ahead. All right, I have my beautiful steak here. Like, this steak, I can't. Look at that lobster meat. The lobster meat is perfectly cooked. I only cooked it for about 3 minutes or so. With the lemon juice, the garlic, the butter, the herbs, it's just amazing. I wish I could try it, but I couldn't. So my husband is going to try it at the end and let you guys know exactly how he feels about it. And yep. Now for the topping for the cake. In my bowl, I have some super softened cream cheese. I have crushed pineapple. I have powdered sugar and the rest of my pineapple soda. You're going to add it all in here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. And you want to just mix this up until, you know, it's well combined. And we're just going to pour this right over the cake. Simple. Of course, y'all know I stay poking holes in these cakes, y'all. So you want to poke some holes, and then you want to pour your cream cheese, pineapple, sugary mixture right on top. Like, it doesn't look pretty, but y'all, the flavors. This pineapple cake tastes so pineapple-y. It was ridiculous, but I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes. Stay tuned for what my husband thinks at the end. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on episode number 2. And thank you for being supportive, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.
We should be closer to friends. Where are we at right here?
I'm right here.
Oh, you're right there? Okay. This is lobster and steak. I ain't gonna lie to you people, I ain't never had lobster and steak before. This is some premium stuff right here. This is top shelf. You know, see, let's get in on, let's dig in on this here. We gotta get us a full bite.
Can I see the cook on that? Okay, it's like medium. No, put it down some so it could be in the camera. Oh, there you go.
No, let's get us a
it's
full
like a good
bite.
medium.
So we got this.
Really?
All right, let's check this out.
Really?
All right.
You guys, he is something else.
No, lobster and steak for the first time. You're good right here, okay.
You like it?
Love it. Yeah, the steak tastes real nice. I wish I could tell you how the lobster tastes. The lobster does taste good. But I don't have enough etiquette to tell you how the lobster tastes. It just tastes good.
Is it still soft or it's hard?
No, it's still soft.
Okay, because I cooked it for like 5 minutes or so.
Go ahead and get another piece right here.
I was trying to catch a view of the cook of it. Oh, okay, it's good. Medium.
Yeah, look at that right there. Nice piece of steak. Look at that piece of steak right there. Yeah, I know you want it. I know you want it. I'm sorry.
Really? Bye, y'all. Oh, it ain't bye. I gotta give you dessert. Okay, we'll be right back when he's done, y'all.
Everything get caught in the bed.
This is a pineapple dream cake. That's what I call it, but it don't have no coconut. But I still call it that because of the sauce glaze, icing, whatever that's on top.
Pineapple dream cake. I ain't never had this before. I don't know what.
Oh, Lord.
what this
Yo,
is.
you see how he do me?
Let's
Act like he ain't
see.
never been nowhere before.
I ain't never been nowhere in these culinary streets before. Now, you going all over the place now. Okay, now we got pineapple dream cake. You said what is it in here now on the sauce top?
It's pineapple, crushed pineapple, cream cheese, pineapple soda instead of water. So it should be really pineapple-y. That ain't a word, but y'all know what I'm saying.
You definitely taste the soda.
You do? I know. It was.
And the pineapple flavor is real. It is there, but it's not overpowering. It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It's moist too, right?
Mm-hmm. Very moist. Trying to hold together. It is nice. It's nice, and it's not even. It's just sweet enough.
Yeah, right. I didn't put too much. Look at you, that thing here, baby. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.